Okay, so this class, so how to create the blend material for the Unreal Engine. So uh, we'll go to first Maya. Let us create one round surface, something like this. And to create the blend materials in Unreal, you should have more divisions, say like 100 by 100. So you should have enough divisions to paint on that surface. So multiple materials you can paint on the surface. So once it is done, uh, you can have a little sculpt also in this. You not make very flat. So you can use the sculpt tool and little ups and down you can make. Right. So double click. So you can maybe can give some strength is very less. Still it is not enough. Maybe still increase more. Some ups and down I like to make. So using control you can have some. So like that uneven surface just look and feel they are making. Now once it is done, so take this export the selection and go to the your Unreal folder. So already you have the project you created. So in that you can go to the content folder and you can create a folder for the Maya files. So let it be in FBX format. Right. So this is my ground. Okay, fine. So this part is over. So you can close the Maya. So Maya role is over. That's all. So come back to the Unreal. It will ask once you put it in content folder, it will ask for import file. So you can use the convert scene in it. You can while importing and go for the import. Or so it is done. So now I have the Maya file in, you can see in content folder, already it's folder. So you can drag and drop the your mesh file, right? So this is your mesh file. So right now you can delete that previous one box is there. So right now you can see your, this is your mesh file. So you can make it reset the location. So it will come to the 0, 0. You come to the ground level. Then start applying on this blend material on this, right? So how to create that? So for that you have to download three materials separately. So you can go to the Quixel bridge, Quixel bridge. So I'll go to the 3D surfaces. In that you can go to the uh, ground. So you'll have a lot of uh, materials. You can go for a forest, right? So in this you choose the material for your to create the ground. So let us create one like a little grass type. So something this preview you can see here. So let us download this. So you can see download button is here. Just click that and it will be downloading. So it will take some few maybe if the internet is faster, then you can maybe it's in 30 seconds to 1 minute it will take. So let us wait to finish. It's almost getting over. So once download is done, then you can press the add. So it will go to the your content folder, this material and textures. So let us add the things. So it will go to the your content folder. If you want to check it out, you can see, or you can create one more content browser. In this, you can see it is created here. So it's under surface. One folder is created. So let us download another one. To have another type of surface, say like mud or something. You can choose something like this. So you can see the preview how it looks. Okay, fine. So download again. The purpose actually generally when you apply the material to objects or single material you just apply here, you can have multiple layers. So you also you can have one water layer on that also that I'll explain you. Let us download first all minimum you need three materials. So this is done. So you can add it. Then we'll go for one more type. So maybe little rough or dry this one forest. You can go for this. Rocky forest floor. So this is another one. Or we'll go for this darker one, wild grass. Okay, fine. So this is download again. So once it is download, you can see one green tick means next time you need again download next when you are going to use for this again one more project. So it will be stored here. It's going on. So maybe another 20% you have to wait. So you can go for add. So once it is done, you can minimize and then you can come back to your content browser, Windows and content browser. So go to the tool and you can see you have three separate folders. So each have their material and textures. So what you have to do, so which is the base you want to make on the surface. So that suppose this is you are going to make base. So you have to select this one first, right? So select the first one, this one. Then go to again Quixel, go to the Quixel bridge, and here you can see one small button is there. You can see the download is there. Just left of that, you can click that. So you have blend materials. You can give us some name. Okay, I go for ground blend material. Okay, ground blend. Okay, so like that you can give the name, and you can go for create blend material. So your material will be created, right? So close this. So this row is over. Now we'll come back to the um, content browser. Okay, so where it is created, you have to check in content, anything is blend material is created, you can see this. The inside the content, one new folder is created, that is blend material. Inside that, you can see the ground blend name is there. And this is your blend material. So if you drag and drop to the your surface is created with the base material, but other text materials are not here. So for that, what you have to do, double click and if you double click, you can see the all the properties right side. You can see the global properties. You can enable all those tools, so you can play on this. So you have to create. This is one base layer is there, top layer is there, and middle layer. Three layers will be there. You can see the base layer. So right now the same texture in the middle also. Fine. Middle also you can see the same texture. Fine. So what you have to do? It's all same texture in all three layers because we didn't select the three layers. So you have to change this texture, right? So because otherwise what will happen now when you paint all three will be consumed. So you can't find. So only I think this is only little change that is there, I think. Other than this, both are same. So what I'll do, I'll change the things. So how to change? So let it be base layer, let it be like that. Suppose base layer, you want to make some tiles, so you have tiling option you can see. So you can tell this, so you can even make five by five. So it will become smaller texture. So you check it out whether it is fine or not. Okay. So this is your ground materials you can see right now. Right. So this was there. Okay, fine. So now next what you do, the base layer is done. So middle layer is the same texture again repeating. In this case, what you should do, so go to the again Windows content browser tool, and go to the content and Megascan. We created three surface. Now you can go for another one, right? So this is another texture. So this is the ground grass type. So what you have to do, just drag and drop to this. So you have to replace. So this one will come here, and normal map will change. Normal map will change. So you replace the what you have. Same thing in this next layer also. You can change the thing. So what is the third one? This one. This is another one. So drag and drop, and this one normal map, and this one actually ARD maps, right? These three maps you have to replace. So once it is done, so now you are ready to paint. So how to paint? All three are done. Okay. So how to paint? So you have to go to the mesh paint and go to the paint mode. In the paint mode, you can come down. So see the brush is now activated. If you have good enough, uh, you have good enough mesh resolution, then it will be working. Okay. So now you have to come back to the scroll down. You can see. You can scroll down. So you can see the paint color is white. Okay. Now if I'll remove all these three channels, so nothing is painting. It is same only. So come to red, nothing is happening. So what you do, you have to show up to black. Okay. So this paint color to make it black. Okay. Now red is there. You can see now red channel is activated. It means that grass layer. You can see. You can see the grass layer. So now red I'll remove and I'll put the green channel. So another map will come. You can see that is rock channel. Okay. So all like that you can change to any things or all three will enable. Then it will you can see all the things and it will make to again go back to the white color. Then it will erase. Right. So like that you can multiple things you can create. So we are understanding. So now what I'll do, I don't want all these things I can remove, right? So I'll make some water layer. So how to do that? So you have options called photo layer. Okay. So in that you can just enable this and photo layer. You can enable all the settings right now, and you can create the nice water layer. So enable all those things. So now we'll see how to create the photo layer. So again, make it a black, and all three should be on. So all not all three should be on. So make it maybe all three should be off. No. So green, no. Green is coming photo. Yes. I think green layer is photo layer. Okay. So green is your photo layer. You can see only green is on and photo layer. It will make it red on. Then it will get another photo will be there. Inside that grass layer will be there. So inside there you are putting grass layer. So how to control this border layer? So you can go to the you want to make more wave speed. So it will be water will be will have good movement. You can see the ripples you want to make scale you want to change. Okay, so I'll reduce the wave scale. Small wave speed in the normal scale you can increase. So the strength once you see now you can see the lot of waves are happening. You can see every time that you like this, then you can see all the things. Maybe like this one reduce, so you can see clearly. So like that, normal stretch still you can increase more. So you can see more height with the texture height you can see. So waves will be clearly seen. So the speed of the wave you can control. If you want to know static water, don't keep the wave. All those things you can play, right? So you can see the puddles are some water is there. So this grass texture again you want to make uh, the grass texture you want to reduce the size. So that whatever you go to grass layer, which is grass layer, is a grass layer. In that you see the tiles you can see. You can enable this the tiles you can make. So maybe 5 by 5. So you can see so grass become you can reduce the size. So like that you can make very interesting the things. So wherever you want grass, you can make it like this with photos. You don't want photos, then you remove the green. So only grass will come. You can see only grass. So green channel is the photo channel, the water channel, right? So this is surrounded by grass. You can see. So like that you can paint, right? Like that you can paint. Or you want to make the green sorry no sorry blue one and red off, so you can get another one, that is another layer. You can see that also you can tiles. So while that layer you can set it up. So it is third one, no? The top layer, right? The top layer you can go to the tile settings, you can enable that, and you can make 3 5 by 5. So this is the size is fine for you, then it's fine. So like that you can create multiple layers. So only if you do want photo layer, then go for only green, then only water will generate. So green should be enabled, then only water will generate. You can see, right? So like that, I can play the things. So this is surrounded by like this. You can see it will have the surround fully grass. You will make it that better. So grass is happening. You can see. So red is grass. The green is no, only grass is planted, only grass is generate. You can see nice reticulated grass. So you want to erase, again go back to the white and make it everything red, green, blue, everything another. Then you see the previous layer is emitting now. So everything is removed, right? So like that, you can create very high quality and textures. You can see the details how it is done. The very nice that water area how it looks. So very nice details you can create. Even also texture you can scale more if you feel more big. That part also you can do. But you can see almost looks very real on the ground area, right? With all the displacement look is there. So hope you understood.